Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Monica Muli. In case you're new here, you're most welcome. For those people who watched my previous video, you're most welcome on this channel. For those people who gave my video a thumbs up, thank you so much. For those people who subscribed, thank you so much too. So on today's video, I'm going to be recreating Mungai Eve's makeup look. And she only has like 2 makeup looks on her Instagram page. I'm going to do one, and the other one is when she was doing a photo shoot of her silver play button. And congratulations to Mungai Eve on your silver play button. We are so happy that you received that in such a short time. So she started her channel maybe in December or January, I'm not sure about that, and within like 5 to 6 months she already has 160 subscribers in such a short time. So yeah, congratulations Mungai Eve. If you don't know who Mungai Eve is a content creator from Kenya, and she started her channel by doing ghetto stories, like going to the ghetto and getting people to talk about their experiences, how they survive in the ghetto and all that stuff. But nowadays she is more recognized and she does even celebrity stories nowadays. So guys, you can go ahead and check her YouTube channels. Let's get into the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment. As you can see, I have washed my face and it is clean and fresh. I have also done my eyebrows and also prepped my eyelids for the eyeshadow using a concealer. I'm using this small firm brush to put the brown shade on my crease area, and then I will go on with a clean fluffy brush to blend that out. I'm using this orangey reddish shade as my transition shade, and also to blend the edges of the brown shade to make sure that there are no harsh lines. Using this small brush and a black shade, I'm going to smoke out the outer corner of my eye according to Mungai Eve's makeup look. I'm applying a little bit of concealer in my inner corner just to prepare a clear base for the shimmery shade, but guys, note that I'm not doing a cut crease today. Using the brush I used earlier to apply the dark shade, I'm going on the edges of the shimmery shade and the dark shade just to polish to make sure that there are no harsh lines. And guys, note that there is no added product on the brush. Using this cotton wool and micellar water, I'm going over my face just to remove the fallouts from the eyeshadow. After that, I'm going to moisturize my face using this Vaseline Petroleum Baby Jelly, and I'm also going to prime my face using Maybelline Primer, which is a matte primer. I'm using this orange color corrector just to correct my dark spots and also my under eyes for extra coverage before I go in with my foundation. I'm using this beauty blender to blend out my foundation further and also to remove the excess product. I am highlighting my under eyes and I'm using two concealer shades, that is the shade Toast and the shade Toffee from the LA Girl Pro Concealers. I'm going to use a brush to blend that, and also I'm going to go in with a beauty blender just to give it a very fine finish and also to remove the excess product. Always remember to look up when you're blending your concealer and also when you're setting your under eyes so that you can get to the corners of your eyes. Also guys, remember to subscribe and also like this video. I'm going in with such a buttercup powder to set my concealer, and also I will use a small brush to remove the excess product and go in with the same beauty blender to blend it further. I'm using this dark concealer in the shade Mahogany to contour under my cheekbones and also my forehead, but for the nose contour I will use a powder contour. Using the black Opal translucent powder and this fluffy brush, I'm going to set the whole of my face. I'm using a Davis pencil to line my lips, and I'll go over with a Huddah Cosmetics lip gloss. I'm not sure which shade it is, but I will leave the details on the description box. So this is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I really appreciate it. I don't take it for granted. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also share your comments in the comment section down below. Watch out for my next video, because you never know who I will feature. Maybe it is your favorite celebrity or your favorite YouTuber. You never know. So yeah, stay tuned for my next video. Until then, bye.